Hi, meet the new D-Bot Osmo T8 IV. With upgraded artificial intelligence and visual interpretation technology, T8 IV recognizes and avoids multiple objects, so you can say bye to robots getting stuck. It intelligently decides how to clean around obstacles and gives you a detailed cleaning report so you know you're not missing a spot. D-Bot's pioneered true mapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home for 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. With 3 levels of suction power, no dust will be missed. Thanks to the Osmo mopping system, this robot can vacuum and mop simultaneously. With a 240 milliliter water tank for longer working time, it gives you a more efficient and effective clean than others. Now, for the first time, say hi to home from anywhere using the app with on-demand live video stream from your D-Bot. D-Bot Osmo T8 IV for a better looking home.